Hello everyone, this is Stuart here. Welcome back. We've got a train coming. It is what train is it, Steven? Class 380. Hey! We don't know where it's going to. Also, if you heard if you don't know why we were cheering, because the driver blew the horn at us. Well done, Steve. But look at the billboard, everyone. That's true. Oh no, we won't. That's too late at night to be this. We'll probably do them for Friday, Stephen. How's that then? And sometimes he does normally great game videos. So if you want to check out his, please do subscribe his channel. Tell everyone your name first before you do go. And plus, you can leave a comment for Stephen if you like it or no. If you want a different train,
tell me in the comments, and then we'll try and video it.
And same here.
If we can't get any trains that don't come here, we'll try our best to see if we can try. So, see you in the next one.
Thanks.
Thanks for watching. Please like, please subscribe and comment. And please hit that bell.
Thanks everyone, and thanks Stephen. Yep. Cheers everyone, and peace out.